Guess what, people? It is another Deathcore day and it is another reaction video day. So we combine the two and we get Deathlane from Luxembourg, probably the finest deathcore band in Luxembourg, similar to Comedy, who is the finest metal podcast from Luxembourg. So, I mean, it goes hand in hand that I had to feature these guys once more. I did it before, but in Luxembourgish format. So today we are checking out their newest song, I.F.H.Y. It probably stands for I fucking hate you. I could be wrong, but we'll find out very shortly, and if not, I need to confirm with the guys what this is all about. In any case, I'm expecting breakdowns, heavy shit, and yeah, good times basically, good times. Let's go with Deathlane, I.F.H.Y. There's a true statement there. Okay. Okay, wait. Damn, bro. Holy shit. I was not expecting such a brutal start, honestly. This is... Oh. I was right with the title. Okay, this is... Wow, the production is insane. It's crisp. Come on, give it to me. Give it to me. Hard. The stink is real. Holy. Bro, you can't just throw this song at me and expect me to have words, okay? Wow. Whoa. This is everything I personally love about the deathcore aesthetics. Yes, of course, there's breakdowns and nasty riffs. Easy riffs, but nasty and freaking heavy riffs. And the video goes so well with the whole aesthetic. It works very, obviously probably low budget, but it freaking works. It's just, I'm actually speechless. This rarely happens. Okay, there are definitely some... You know what? Never mind. I don't know what to say anymore. I don't know what to say. As I said, I saw these guys live. And I was just so amazed because they have such a freaking energy. And the songs that were out by then were already freaking great. And the last song Chains in Pain, was another banger. I think this is on a freaking different level. This, hopefully, even with the help with this reaction video, will give them even more leverage to catapult them into the big league, because this screams of Suicide Silence for sure. There's so many references, and yet it is original. I freaking love it. Holy, I'm sweating. This is insane. Anyway, guys, this was Deathlane with I Fucking Hate You. I was right with the title though. And yeah, give this folks a listen. They honestly deserve every voice and every help they can get, because if the record will drop, hopefully it will be in the next year or so, there will be a record. This will be insanely well done, because the production is so great. But anyway, wow. You know what? I'll just clap. I don't know what else to do. I don't know what to say. You guys, you have to check out Deathlane. Follow us for some more of this amazing content. And yeah, like and subscribe. Follow Deathlane. And check out what other great bands we have in Luxembourg, because proof is right here. Okay? Or at least it was right here earlier. So I'm done. See you next time.